Purchase your tracks today.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So I'm in a bit of a small mix. I'll give it to you shortly. Yep. Yeah, if you weren't hearing me before, please welcome to the stream. I think we're just having some technical issues. I had to do some resets on the system, so welcome. I already talked about US30 and Nasdaq, and yeah, we already had some all-time highs. So we're just watching for our London range to see how we can capitalize on that. We already capitalized on gold. We already capitalized on German 40. We have a trade running there currently, targeting last week's high. So all things being equal, we should see some positions on US30. But like we always say, we wait for 9:30. We currently have 35 minutes to 9:30, so we're just gonna chill a bit, and once we're done, we should have some volume in the market that we can capitalize on. So welcome, welcome. All right, so yeah, we pray that God blesses today and gives us some smooth sailing. So welcome wherever you're watching from. Hope you had a lovely weekend. While you're on the channel, please leave a like. You can subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, family, loved ones, whoever. And yeah, you can always come here daily and watch us trade. And you can always ask your questions in the comments, whatever. And yeah, let's chill. So I already mentioned earlier that US30 is looking more it's looking more primed for our setup. So my focus would mainly be on that because Nasdaq already swept Asian high and low, and based on data, once Nasdaq has done that, there's a low probability that price is going to come all the way down here again to sweep the London low. So we would mostly have continuations when that happens, but there are rare cases where it would also deliver there. So it's we're not just going to rule it out. So that's why we're also going to be watching the Nasdaq to see if something presents itself. But yeah, my focus is mainly US30. So we'll look to see what US30 presents, and yeah, capitalize on that. Welcome once more. So yeah, we have 3 minutes now to markets open. So let's see how that plays out. So I'm just trailing my stops on German 40. Whenever it wants to reverse, I'm okay with whatever I get out. So, um, but I expect it to drive all the way here. So we have 9:30 open, and as you can see, US30 seems to be delivering without any confirmation. So that's not our cup of tea. Yeah, and we have Nasdaq as well dumping, but it's so far away from the sell side liquidity. So maybe it would tap into something like this and use this as liquidity instead. Yeah, that tends to happen. So yeah, just watch. It's still 9:30. Yep, US30 has conveniently swept buy side with no confirmation and is delivering to the sell side. So bummer. Yo, you never say never when it comes to trading. Yo, look at Nasdaq already like halfway down the line. So yeah, um, yeah, we're still very far away from the sell side. Yeah, US30 as well, pushing back up. Let's look at gold. What is gold saying? Yeah, gold is it's just looking for a support to keep pushing higher. Once it finds that support, it could be this support, could be this one down here, or it could be the middle of this range. So yeah, but technically gold is still bullish. So yeah, here's that here, back in this range, and it seems to be reversing now. Yeah, it seems like a missed entry to me. That's what it's looking like. But let's see. The market just opened just 4 minutes, so it's too early to start speculating. Yep. Yeah. So yeah, there goes US30. No entry. Welcome, Harriet. We got Harriet in the house.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, good
Hello,
afternoon.
Harriet. Afternoon.
How's it going?
It's going well, thank you. Sorry, I'm a bit late. I
No
had something
problem.
to catch up to.
Yeah, you haven't missed much.
It's nice today. No good.
No good. Done with gold for today. If gold gives you something, don't
And
go
what
back.
happened?
We
Oh,
already
Adi
took
Gold is
something
done with
from
us for
gold.
today.
You know, when gold gives you
Oh,
something,
okay.
don't go back to take another one. Just leave it for some
Yeah,
time.
Chi will always advise you not to go back.
Yeah. But we're expecting sales on US30, and it seems like price has already left us. So that's the bummer. We're expecting like a proper reversal here, but you see how we just swept here and turned around. So let's look at
What about mass?
yeah, Nasdaq, the same thing. It hasn't swept any buy side or sell side, but my issue with Nasdaq now is that during London, London swept Asian low and Asian high. And most times when it happens like this, the
Yeah.
New York session would be a continuation of London.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Okay.
it's a bit tricky right now. So I'm still watching it.
So what are we expecting? Like, what should we be looking out for
So
in
what I'm
this
expecting
session?
is that if it sweeps like maybe this liquidity here, or it comes all the way down here and sweeps, then I can look for buys. Then if it comes here and
Okay.
sweeps and forms a reversal, then I'll look for sales. But right now it's like very tricky for me to take a buy or a sell. But
Yeah.
it has some imbalance here to fill. So I'm expecting that price would still come down here at some point. So I don't know if it's today, but we'll just wait and see which level is swept first and start looking for a position. So for Nasdaq now, I've
To
not,
be honest,
yeah,
trading today a bit, I don't know, is risky for me because the kind of gap the market gave.
yeah,
I
it
don't know if
hasn't
it
filled that
affected
gap.
everything in future, but forest is like crazy.
Look at the gap here.
It
That's what
gave a lot
I'm,
of gap.
this gap here. See, yeah. So I'm expecting price to still come back to this gap at some point.
You
So
think it will get to it today?
that's what I don't know, but you know how these markets move. If it decides to start selling now, it is a very short trip for it. It's a very short trip. But I wish it would come and sweep this high first before dumping so that we can capitalize. But Nasdaq,
There's no
US30.
news today to push it down. So I think we'll
Yeah,
have a long time to wait.
yep. This would have been the setup for the day if it formed nicely, but there was no way I was going to enter here. No way.
But that our last idea the last time about the fair value gap on forehead, about it, the price getting down there, they're
Mm-hmm.
looking for a buy.
Yeah.
Did you still let that catch up?
Yeah, that was how I capitalized on this gold move here. Remember, this was the move here.
Okay.
Yeah. So we waited for it to close on 5 minutes. That was where we got the entry. Oh, that was it. Fair value gap here. I think on 1 minute this was an imbalance. Yeah, but I didn't think it would go all this way. You remember there was a breaker here that you were
Yeah.
talking about. Yeah, so it got to that breaker
Yeah.
and rejected, then tapped it into this support again and continued pushing.
Yeah.
And since then, it hasn't looked back.
I think the same thing happened on NAS too. We had similar setup on NAS
Yeah, yeah,
as well.
yeah. It's tapped into, I think, daily. I think that was daily fair value gap. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's the same thing.
Exactly.
4 hour and daily fair value gap. Just tapped into it and reversed. That's broken this high now. Yeah. Ah, this is heartbreaking. It's heartbreaking. This is a sweet move. But that's the thing. US30 move, as in I've seen it so many times not give any confirmation. And the day you now decide to take it, it will mess you up. So yeah, seems like Nasdaq is coming down as well. This gap is a gaping hole. So for swing trades, I need tap into this zone. It's a very good spot to buy to this high. So notwithstanding, we'll also still look to see if we can catch buys, if we can see any buys on US30. Because they're still overall bullish. So the buys are even more in line with higher time frame structure. So there are a lot of zones for it to react. Let's watch and see.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Is is the same here?
I didn't go on, okay? Yeah.
So everyone just like, yeah.
God has done something this morning, so
I
I'm reminiscing.
sorry.
How bad?
Yeah.
How bad?
Oh, you of all people should know that
Yes,
you
of all
go
people,
on a
of
Monday
all
morning.
people.
Very, very risky.
Got the $90 part. So
Yeah. On personal.
that's my entire profit, man. Just take it out. So the entire profit out, man. So,
Don't worry, we'll get
Don't
it
worry,
back. Yeah.
see how you guys did this.
Because we always
Shit
do.
needs to be
It always comes
studied.
back. It always comes back.
Shit needs to be studied. See, that is a common forex thing. You get it back. You get it back. It needs to be studied.
But that's it. Get it back.
No, I'll get it back, definitely. I'll keep up with this. By the end of the year, probably I'll cover half, hopefully, sure. I believe so.
Today.
Yeah, this is just starting now. It's just starting. And I'm more positive than anything because I'm dying. So, yeah. That's my only, how I like to put it. That's my only superpower. So I use it very well.
My mouth has failed.
I keep you guys posted.
mean, look at US30 just ripping down. I mean, look what's the meaning of
Like
this? Look
falling
at
knife,
this.
man.
What was this swing?
That's the fucking falling knife.
Like this was nothing. Just tricked me.
The fucking
Tricked
falling
me.
knife.
This is not nice now. This is so unfair. so unfair.
Why?
Yeah.
How did you miss it?
It didn't give me the reversal pattern I normally used to confirm, because sometimes when it does this, when 930 opens, another high will be created, then to now form that reversal pattern to dump. So immediately 930 just opened. This was 930 candle. Immediately it's opened, it just ripped through. Like no reversal, no confirmation, nothing. Just since then it's yeah. So if I decided to do that, what if another day I take a sell like that and it immediately takes me out? You know, more often times than not,
sure.
it will do that. It will take you out first. So I'm okay with this.
Sure.
It's just painful to look at though. It's alright.
And the way I'm seeing it might not retest at all.
No, it's still gonna buy. I know S&P 500 has been closing on with new all-time highs like week after week. That's what it's been doing. So it's still super bullish. So we're still gonna buy. It's just looking for support now. Gold seems like it's buying again. Wow. Oh, sorry guys.
I just leave good. Leave good.
No.
That's about now.
I left gold since morning.
If you put your hand in this fire, I need to burn your hand. I'm telling you.
Nah, I can't do that to myself.
It burnt me real bad this morning, man. Thought I was riding on it, but showed me the other side very fast.
You should avoid
Well,
that
the good thing I
London
was able to
session.
cut my loss in time. Sorry?
You should avoid that London session on gold. It's normally
No session sometimes are sweet. You get period, no session, you get good entries. Yes, because this is one of those days. One of those days.
US30. Wow. So Dube, I close this trade here and see how it just reversed.
Yeah, I said, sorry, you saying something?
Yeah, I was telling you that I closed out on this trade and it reversed immediately.
German 40, bro.
Yeah.
Did you take it on the prop?
Yeah, I took out profit. Took out everything. I closed
It's
it.
not on prop. It's
Non-personal. It's personal.
Yeah, I can't take this on prop.
Man, US30 is on crack.
Mm. I think he's moving
on
hyperbolic
some
now.
high
Like,
octane,
he's
on
just
some high
doing
octane
street
level
slang. And
shit.
this is very bad if you enter, if he cuts you.
Yeah,
Ah, so if he cuts you, this is one you just be regretting. Like this week, next week, probably the entire month might just be painful for it.
no, the trade is already done. You don't know how far it will go from here, whether it will reverse from here or it will continue dumping. So, yeah. Man, I mean, look at this straight line. It's like
The line is too straight. My creative support. White people. What's man go? 5 minutes closure.
man, go.
Okay.
I love looking at this pair. So nice to look at and so tempting. But once you get in,
Very, very tempting pair. You're seeing like this. And then, this thing will sell thing like good first. You buy it, but you need to sell small.
he's gonna sweep this
You
all
need
time.
to sell small. You need to sell small. No, all time is constant. You must break it. If you show banker,
This is a sweet. There's this guy Dax. This is how he trades. Yeah, something like this. Very sweet entry. Tap and go. Tap and go. Let's target something like this. So nice. So nice. Stress free. Chai. If wishes were horses.
if only wishes were horses.
Guy, just look at this perfect setup.
People,
This is the perfect setup. This is it. 3 5-minute candles to TP, 185 pips. Anyway. This is why we couldn't get an entry, guys. You know, this is barely a sweep.
Harriet left.
Yeah, I think so. I think you're on mute.
Oh.
No, I think Harriet is on mute.
I'm still here. My network is so bad.
Yeah, same thing happened here. I think something just happened generally.
I was shocked now. I was like, I'll give me Wakakon.
Alright.
This is falling knife, mad, bro.
On US30.
Yes, so.
It's like
I don't want to look too much.
no, you don't get involved. From my experience, when I start trading, these are the kind of things. When I see things like this, I'll start selling.
Bro,
The whole thing
go.
will just reverse.
You can't take my blood today, man. You can't take my blood today, man.
And you were on buys, right? You were on buys, right?
No, not yet. Nah.
No, I mean the trade.
After
you
yes,
did buys. I'm asking about the.
No. Actually, I was with C. Actually, I was buying. I was buying like kept on selling. It disrespected me and so. And that destabilized me.
You want equity. Just retrace more.
I don't even understand this.
You retrace small now. Oh yeah, buy. You continue to retrace again. Where do you want to retrace?
Like, look at
What
what
if
it's
I know
doing
you?
now. Look at what it's doing now. This is not fair. This is so not fair. Like, it's just breaking. It's just
Climb
breaking
this.
guys.
What? See now, it's going to break his size.
It's gonna break all time.
All-time high is broken. All-time high is broken. Life stores is broken. It's congratulations, you have now witnessed price at the all-time highs for gold.
Yeah,
She
man.
might just hit 4,000.
US30 is still dumping.
We're going to sink all of them.
I don't see any other thing that can hold price up except this.
Oh boy, good at grab people's buy stock and it's running
He's-
Oh gosh. Shit, man. Oh, fake it.
Some
Buy
hearts are
stocks.
about to be broken.
Dead.
Some hearts are about to be broken. This is
What?
like,
They have shattered already like this. They don't even know what's happening.
if it continue,
What? This thing will bring that bottom. See, no worry. Just watch and see what it will go. Continue go here. You make sure you collect stop probably say just 5 minutes. Let me see. Are you on 5 minutes?
yeah, this is 5 minutes.
People stop loss. See, it's coming here. It's coming. It's going to break all these lows. That's what it needs to come. You think I'm checking?
I don't think you're joking.
So far now. That's people stop loss. Sitting now.
I'm just laughing because there is nothing impossible for gold. You know, there is nothing that will happen. This is
No,
why
it's
nothing
nothing.
that
See, you go wants to go to my village. You go there and you come back again today.
today, like.
Come back today. It travels.
Sometimes when I look at
So
gold,
for
I'm
all
just
your
amazed.
stop
Like,
losses, we are at that 5 minutes adios.
come on now,
Adios.
US30. This is enough now.
Adios. Yes, it is still dipping now. No joy.
Still dipping.
No joy.
Still dipping.
Guy,
Still
no
dipping.
joy. No joy.
It's crazy. This is crazy.
Yeah, I'm waiting for goals for people that are see well. Lando is taking it out. Yeah.
Yeah, it's taking it out. Yeah.
That's the collect stop loss. SL must be hit. And I will go cheaper just to confirm. People like us that used to do like 2 more extra pips, just to.
You go whack you, eh?
The thing will still come more extra for you.
I know they even and see any gold where you don't see me post. I know they wait till TP to close them. I don't do that anymore.
See, if I see good, now
Just once you're close to TP, I go
just dance for TP the first time.
Nah,
I'll close you. I don't even want to see you.
I have trust issues with gold now.
Oh my
Trust
god.
issues, man. Man, it's so this US30 is so funny to look at.
See now, after taking stop losses, it's not spinning more. It's the bad guy that it is.
Has gold ever sold out for at least 1 week straight without
Yeah.
any
Yes.
correction?
Yes.
When we started trading, those were the
Those are the
you know what's up
He
now.
used to sell like a stupid man. I think that trade was a sell. We were buying also, it was
Yeah,
selling.
it was selling.
It kept on
Like
selling.
1,000 pips.
Nigga never replaced. Nobody just
I was watching $1,000 just vaporize into thin air. Vapor. I begin sweat. Hey,
See, I lost appetite. Everything I came to do in Lagos was cancelled. I just felt like just going home like the next day.
Good was wicked.
I almost hold my flight. Let me just be going now.
Yeah. I'm saying these trending markets will make some people feel like they are actually good traders, but man, if you traded gold in 2022, it wasn't child's play. It wasn't child's play at all.
You see grown up man shout, hey.
Remember that time we get one buy stop sell stop where I can't
Yeah, I remember the kind. You book inside plane, you don't set in good street and have flight they go.
Bad guy, I'm a bad guy.
I'm a bad guy. I got your phone. About seeing accounts, no one. I need to stop loss. Like, just put it based on. No worry yourself. And go back. Before the night, like, go just do it for now. Please. I'll catch you when I will. Before training accounts before you land. My guy is indifferent, he just knows his phone.
Guy, if you get any occasion, anything, just do not take any position. Don't trade that day. Don't trade that day. Do not trade that day.
Because man, you're gonna just
it must go bad. It must go bad. It's like I've never seen a case where those kind of situations ended up nicely. Never. Every time. You're never on the good side.
jwoodbeats.com.
I told you gold will return.
Turn of the movie. See, gold is closing without topic. You don't give signal like that. No topic. 5 minutes closure. No topic. 5 minutes closure.
The best thing for gold now is to wait for a deep retracement before looking for any good entry. Those kind of trades play out like once in a week. It's like a once in a week kind of thing. Once you see them capitalize. On Mondays like this, where it just starts pumping, you want to like stay out, see what it does. But bro, Asian session goes sweet for this market. This market.
You made money Asian session.
Yeah.
This means this morning I have to just trade.
Yeah, just around 3 a.m. I just do go crash. I didn't want to even look at the chat again. Even though it pumped like 100 and something pips after I left. That wasn't my business anymore.
After you took out profit,
Yeah, after I took profit. It pumped Well, I took like 140 something. It's pumped an extra 160 something.
Why are you trading and you didn't holler at me? And you know I'm awake. I'm a wizard.
I wasn't planning to trade that session. I was working on something.
What was I doing? I think I was watching.
You know, there's this club beside my house. They always blasting me.
Oh yeah.
Sunday. Yeah. Because I was just up to that time. So immediately I just took the trade. I went back. Me, I don't normally trade Asian session. But like this cycle now,
is really trade. I just watched the movie and I slept off.
Okay.
I was seeing a movie and I slept off. So by the time I was waking up, already 3 a.m. I woke up continuing my sleep.
Yeah. If I can buy gold again, I think I would have to wait for it to trace back at the equal horizon or
Equal lows.
yes, sorry, the equal lows on. No, the last equal highs. Down there where the imbalance is.
Here or here. This one.
Yes, around that area.
Yeah, this is the sweet spot for more buys. So no matter how long it takes, this is unless it now creates another imbalance like this on its way up, then we can now use that one. But for now, this is the best position.
Yeah, around that area.
Purchase your tracks today.
I feel it might have to tap that rejection top.
Yeah.
Those past rejection. For buying. So I'll patiently wait.
Yeah, that's the best thing now. The best thing to do is wait now. Have we seen a retracement or is this a reversal? I think I'll use 5 minutes for confirmation on this trade. This is so tiny. Oof. Let's see, 5 minutes.
Breaking all-time highs again. Sorry, excuse me.
Yo, you know the crazy thing? Okay, the base is not here. I'm looking at futures and it's just now sweeping Asian London low on futures. Like
US30.
yeah, we have it sweeping the lows here, London lows here, but the London lows is actually here on futures.
Oh.
Yeah. That's crazy. So we have something forming already. Let's see.
Assuming that futures is one step ahead or
Your futures is the actual price. This what we are seeing here is delayed. It's a derivative, so it's not giving us the exact market price.
Okay. So eventually, like what happens, like another one will happen in future, right?
Yeah. So, but on futures, it didn't dump this hard. On futures, it didn't dump this hard. It's
I'm not on future. That's what I'm asking.
okay. Let me try and pull it up here. So you see here on futures, it's just sweeping the London lows.
Yeah.
But on trading view, we swept it here. Oh, see it here actually. You see where we swept it all the way here.
Yeah.
But we're only sweeping it here on this chart. So all these things all this is that huge sell that we had here. So, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Idube, I was just telling her how on futures we're just sweeping London lows. If you can check futures on US30, or that's ES. It's just now, if you can mark on 5 minutes, if you can mark 3 a.m. that's UTC -4. If you can mark 3 a.m. candle, 3:30 a.m. candle, and
That is UTC
yeah, hold on, I think we have something.
Order filled. Order filled.
Hold on, where is micro for micro S&P? Wow.
You see, bro.
Order filled.
Yeah, I just saw it.
Let me click.
Okay.
Purchase your tracks today.
Man, this price difference is crazy. I don't even know which chart I'm looking at again.
Purchase your tracks today.
It's not MESZ you're looking at 25.
Yeah,
It's
it's looking so
25.
yeah, but it's looking so different on okay, this is it here. This is it here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the actual.
Order filled.
Okay. Lights up. Lights up.
Hey, which one is this one again?
It's US30.
Oh,
This is
okay.
this is that same. This is the chart I was showing you on futures.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
7 something.
Thinking of taking buys.
Order filled.
But I think I'll take buys here. Let me see. This imbalance is to the back corner. I still need to come down there.
So you're waiting for it to come back and tap into that fair value gap, right?
Yeah, I'll take the first contract on the break of this side, and if it comes down here, I'll add another contract. So something like this.
Purchase your tracks today.
Tricky much, tricky much. Okay. First contract. First contract. First contract.
I.
You don't the dance skelewu now.
Purchase your tracks today.
Price is really struggling here. Let's see.
Purchase your tracks today.
That's not a good sign. That's not what we want to see. It's really struggling. It's really struggling there.
Price is hyperbolic. It's not just struggling. Price is bouncing and jumping.
Yeah. It's really struggling there.
Order filled.
Might go break even at the break of the hive.
Okay.
Just to keep that hook, that hook climb.
But you know, this 1 minute didn't print a bottom wick, so it might take you out. So be aware of that.
Yep. I'm aware of that.
So I think adjusting stop loss to somewhere here is quite reasonable. What a shitstorm. Is this a continuation
Yeah.
of... Is this a continuation?
If you want to break down, I do not want to be in this. Anyway, it has taken me out of a break even, sure.
Okay. Because this hesitation now is not... it's not nice. Shouldn't be hesitating. Especially after this push it's had here. It should be an easy...
Expected you to keep pushing, but with this high rejection, I do not know.
Tough.
Order filled.
Tough.
Yeah, it's so far away. I did it. So
Order filled.
Canasdack.
Order filled.
I've seen the US33, man.
Yeah, just a minor drawdown now. I'm even thinking of closing it out, but I'm just watching price to see how this 1 minute closes. Damn, look at gold.
Where is this schooling? Gold is equals to Kalau. Kalau, Kalau, Kalau.
Some crazy ass movements here. Crazy ass movements. It's really struggling. It's really struggling. If I can get off here, I'm okay. But no, it's not giving. It's not giving that confidence. But see.
Only the first candle broke. That's support. That resistance, sorry. First. Was breaking. Nobody is able to push.
No, whenever based on our experience, whenever it grinds like this, to throw one mad ass candle that will wipe out all these moves. So that's why I'm not even like I'm not excited yet on this trade at all. So it could just turn around any point. At any point.
3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. It closed above, so yeah, you have hope.
Yeah, there's
So
hope.
though you might come down for a bottom week, yeah. I don't know how deep or how steep this bottom week is gonna be.
Yeah.
I know you can't come down for a bottom week. If you really
Yeah.
want to shoot up, I said it.
Mm-hmm.
Order
I
filled.
said it. I
Mhm.
said it. This
Exactly
was
what
so
I said.
aggressive.
This is exactly what I was expecting. To come and
Freaking
wipe
too
out all
aggressive.
the moves. Yeah.
Oh, it's likely to go down. Come down to
Second.
this way. Um,
They are not playing ball today. Only gold is playing ball today. So possibly have a loss, potential loss brewing.
Dance on the beats.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm out of this trade. I'm out of the trade. And now it's reversing. Oh my god.
Flower on the beat.
Order filled. Order filled.
Purchase your tracks today.
You went back in, or
No, I'm not in yet, but I'm thinking of going back in. But I want to see if it breaks this high first. I want to see if it breaks this high.
no?
I'm currently out.
As for gold, I'm waiting for retracement. Nas, I don't know what Nas is doing. I don't know. So,
No, Nas is misbehaving today. It's not.
I don't know.
That's why I said, like,
I just
what
be sitting
happened?
here waiting,
Yeah, it's the waiting that
pretending
kills.
like I know what I'm doing, but seriously, I don't know what I'm doing.
No, waiting is the best until you see what is obvious for you to take. You know, if you don't know what you're seeing, then it's a good sign to just stay out and watch.
You
See what
definitely
Yeah.
need to wait, except you want to lose like me today. Good to wait.
Ah. No, like when you look at something, at least you have an idea of where the thing is going to.
Mm.
But now I don't even know whether it's going up, whether it's going down, or whether it's going to. But at least I
It's
feel
it's
good
cons- it's
when
just
I get here,
consolidating.
right?
Yeah, it's looking primed to just buy for the rest of the day, but yeah, it's that gap to fill below is what I'm hoping it will come down for eventually. That's where the nice buys will be at. Yeah.
Guys, I'm trying to figure out like recently the market is not really obeying the market structure anymore. You know,
Mm.
like this kind of break of structure, when you see a change of character, you expect something. It doesn't. So I'm thinking maybe there is something else that like, you know, is
Mm.
respecting other than just market
The only thing
structure.
I
I mean,
see it's
whether it's like
respecting most times is liquidity. Like other blocks would, some of them would break fair value gaps, some of them will be disrespected. But the way it's where to catch the best trades are where liquidities are situated, like previous days high or previous sessions highs and lows. So when most
I
times
mean that
when
liquidity, like whenever I expect it maybe running an opening of a new section. At
okay,
least give it 30 minutes,
it doesn't happen
right?
every
But
time.
now it can just
Yeah,
yeah, but now it just before I think that was rule or something, but now it just happens anytime.
yeah, it's
You
not
don't even expect
consistent,
it.
especially with gold. It's not consistent at all. That's why we try to do it on Nasdaq, because on Nasdaq it tends to respect it better. It's almost impossible. It's very rare.
No, these days I've just been doing serious thinking. Like, what would I'm looking for something that will, like at least for a period of time when you look out for this thing, you expect it to happen.
Yeah.
Than tomorrow, it might, you're not sure. It might go like this, or it might not go like, something stable at least for a month.
For gold, I've not seen anything like that. It doesn't appear every day, but at least like maybe twice in a week. But like for Nasdaq, what we trade, these ranges we trade, they tend to play out most times. That's why we are always looking at it, because most times it will happen. Sometimes it won't. Sometimes it's hard to pick out, but most times it will happen. So it depends on the pair. So whatever you're trading, you have to look, maybe go through some pairs to see how frequently it plays out on those pairs and to see how you can
Yeah.
capitalize. Yeah. But this thing I know that works very well with ICT is like higher time frame fair value gaps, like all these 4 hour or daily fair value gaps. If you wait for price to come back to it, those are the best type of trades to capitalize on.
So I guess my problem is impatience.
We all have that problem now.
Is that
So
what it means?
yeah, if you can wait, because sometimes it's to wait for that pullback, like on gold now. to wait for that pullback to happen. It might be around Wednesday or Thursday. So can you stay without trading that long? That's
I
the
can.
question.
I can.
Yeah. So if you can wait that long,
Because I
then
mean, it makes sense.
Hmm?
I'm trading, losing tomorrow, gaining tomorrow.
Yeah, those
It's
trades are
giving sporty bets.
we wear suits. So yeah.
At least for me, I can just take like Monday, Tuesday, observe how the market is going. By Wednesday, I can be very, very sure, okay,
Yeah,
something might just play out.
yeah, on a higher time frame. Yeah. Me, I'm also trying to be looking on a higher time frame for swing trades because that's where the real money is. If you can
I've
catch
always
those.
been looking on the higher time frame. I've always. Maybe my problem is maybe on that higher time frame, then spotting the right entry that won't have to take out my stop loss before now
Yes.
doing the right thing.
Yeah. Man, these pairs are acting so weird today. They're acting so weird.
So guys, I think I might have to check out today
Okay, no problem.
and come back to. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm doing right now.
No, you just watch. Now you just have to watch paint dry. We're like sitting on our hands now because it's
Yeah.
market conditions are looking very suspicious.
But it's a news this evening, so hopefully,
I don't think there's no
something might.
news today. Oh, today.
Uh,
Let me see. I think today is a no news Monday.
Just video.
There's no news. Just Euro and GBP. It's not affecting gold and
Good at all.
it's,
Dance on
um,
the beats.
Order filled.
yeah. What do you think of this? It's still like grinding here. Do you think I should re-enter or should let it go?
I want to see closure above
Mm.
6781. I see closure above 6781 and jump in.
Tower on the beat.
Just chill and wait.
Because price is actually going to break either upwards or down. I don't know, but upwards or downwards. But then he has to break out. So yeah.
All right, guys.
All right,
Have a nice
Harriet. You
trading
too.
session. Bye.
All right,
Bye. Take care.
take care. Have a nice day.
You too.
Dawn's the engineer on the beat.
Is it your stuff that did that?
Me?
Mm.
No.
Like battery low.
No.
No battery low.
Maybe. I didn't hear it on my end, sure.
Okay.
Very shitty price action today.
Just printing side by side.
Tower on the beat.
Yep, Nasdaq is toast today. Toast.
You say?
Said Nasdaq is toast today. Toast. S&P is trying to make a comeback. Can it break the highs?
Tower on the beat.
Can you break the highs and close above? Give it a try. Let's see. Tough. Very tough spots for price. Tough spots for price. Still struggling at that spot.
Yeah, that's all.
It's closing now. I think I'll take buys here.
Order filled.
Yep. And buys now.
Order filled.
Purchase this beat on towerbeats.com.
Seems to be moving now. Did you enter? You're on mute.
Oh, so sorry. You're asking if I entered?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. I did enter. Enter. But it's just the one lot I used to enter.
Okay.
How many lots do you used to enter?
Order filled.
I've closed one now. I used to, but I closed one now. When we break this high, I'll go break even. Let's see if we make it.
Purchase your tracks today.
Have you gone break even? Have you gone break even yet?
No, not yet.
Mm-hmm. Damn, that's crazy. Sold out pullback. You got sold out pullback. I don't like that shit.
Pull back, bro. You just.
I swear down, I don't like that shit.
Okay, I'll just go break even here because I don't like.
I don't like that pullback shit. Nigga, if you wanna go up, you go up. If you don't wanna go up, you stay just where you are. Stop pulling back.
Just go up.
It's house money. House money, house money, house money.
You erratic piece of shit. Just fucking move up.
I know, you
Sorry
come
for
on
the
my
language.
voice.
It's just flipping burgers here, man. On 1 minute chat. Flipping burgers.
I sure don't give him space. Anything he wants to do now, break it. So
Yep. Glad I left this German 40 trade. Best decision I ever made. Oh my god. Oh, come on now. Come on now.
now you've broken the highs. I wanna see some pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up.
Anyway, I already broke even. Anything it wants to do here, not part of it.
You have closed.
No, I broke even. I closed half, broke even. So I don't like the way it's just flipping burgers, man. Like Italy don't use this 1 minute candle do now. Like that Hawk scene with Loki. Where Hawk flip Loki up and down.
You go look at your drink.
Okay. Come on.
Order filled. Order filled.
Took me out on break even. So
No.
so if he drives, no wahala. We'll come back again tomorrow.
Okay.
So yeah, guys, if you're on the stream, if you're still on the buys, you can stay on the buys. Seems like it's primed to go up, but I'm out of this trade for now. So we'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, and try to capitalize on the moves. And yeah, hopefully a better price action tomorrow. So yeah, on that note, goodbye, fellas. See y'all tomorrow.
Do have a lovely day.
Yep. Bye bye.
All right.